Take a look at this ocean. You might notice that there are a lot of fish swimming around. What if I told you that in the future there might be more plastic than fish in the ocean? Meet Krishna, an ocean environmental manager. Ocean environmental managers research ways to protect ocean systems, which include water, land, and beaches. Ocean systems need protection because of human activities that can endanger animals and pollute the water and land. For example, humans are dumping garbage into oceans, which pollutes the water. Humans are also the cause of overfishing. Overfishing occurs when people catch a lot of the same kind of fish, which causes the population to shrink. Overfishing can cause a decline to fish populations. Look at how many salmon a single boat can catch in one trip. Imagine hundreds of boats all catching salmon. Right now, Krishna is investigating other ways that human activities affect the salmon population. Many types of salmon are on the endangered species list, which means they are at a risk of extinction because there are so few left. Krishna's job now is to figure out if a human-made dam should be removed. When humans build river dams, salmon populations can shrink. People build dams on rivers to generate hydroelectricity, which is electricity from moving water. Salmon have a unique behavior where they actually travel out of the ocean and back into rivers to breed. When people build dams, the salmon cannot return to the rivers. Look at how the dam prevents salmon from traveling in the river. When a salmon population shrinks, ocean systems are affected. Many ocean animals like whales, dolphins, and seals rely on salmon as a source of food. If there aren't any salmon in the ocean to eat, ocean animals may die. The river ecosystem is also affected. In a river ecosystem, bears and birds rely on salmon as food. Plants also rely on salmon. When salmon die, they decompose in the water. This means they break down into small pieces. The decomposed salmon becomes nutrients in the soil. Plants and trees then absorb the nutrients through their roots. Krishna uses her knowledge about salmon and the ecosystems they live in to come up with plans to increase the salmon population. She meets with the other ocean environmental managers, and together they decide that the dam should be removed. Here is the plan to remove the dam. First, Krishna will research data that shows how dams shrink salmon populations. This means that she will look up reports that count how many salmon there are before and after a dam is built. Next, she will research how ecosystems are affected by a shrinking salmon population. For example, she will use her iPad to look up scientific articles that other scientists have written on a similar topic. Then, Krishna will set up a meeting with government officials and the electric company who built the dam. That way, she can explain how the dam is affecting salmon populations. She will also suggest that the company knock down the dam. Lastly, she will propose a plan for restoring the river ecosystem. This means Krishna will find a way to increase the salmon population. She isn't exactly sure how she will do this yet, but Krishna is going to start brainstorming ideas. Now it's your turn to go on an adventure and be an ocean environmental manager.